Check out the latest on the Mojave Drone, a powerhouse equipped with high-velocity machine guns that can hit any target with precision. General Atomics recently showcased the Mojave Drone, featuring two Dillon Aero DAP-6 Minigun machine guns, each firing at an impressive rate of 300 rounds per minute. During testing, this lethal combination allowed the drone to obliterate a car in mere seconds. With a total rate of fire of 600 rounds per minute, thanks to its dual guns, the Mojave is a force to be reckoned with. Despite the challenge of managing the weighty DAP-6 pods, weighing in at 159 kilograms when fully loaded, General Atomics' engineering team rose to the occasion. They implemented updates to both hardware and software, alongside rigorous ground tests to ensure precise targeting from the drone's fixed wing positions. Mark Brinkley, Senior Director of Marketing at General Atomics, emphasized the team's dedication to perfecting the drone's firepower. Once the engineering team pinpointed the impact points of each machine gun round, we demonstrated flawless targeting from the air, Brinkley remarked. Notably, the tests revealed no issues with vibration or recoil, paving the way for increased accuracy and efficiency in future developments. Looking ahead, Brinkley hinted at exciting upgrades for the Mojave Drone. Plans include equipping it with rotating miniguns on specialized mounts, with potential for even more formidable armaments down the line. Stay tuned as General Atomics continues to push the boundaries of drone technology.